HTML attribute is probably the most common HTML attribute, and class attribute is used to add styles from CSS or cascading style sheets to HTML element. So basically with the class, we are changing or customizing appearance of our HTML elements. Another way that we can change appearance of our HTML elements is with style HTML attribute. Style HTML attribute is used to add styles available in CSS without CSS classes. So in this example, we can change color. Text can be red or green, blue, etc. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate over PayPal. Please remember, even little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.